Yo, what's up? Hello guys and welcome to today's trade market recap. I didn't took any trades. Like I told you in the video before this one, there's literally nothing in the market. Let's break it down to so without further ado, don't forget to smash up that like button and that subscribe button. Let's get started with today's video. So the daily time frame, as I told you, we are in a bullish order flow. We are in a bullish order flow. The daily is bullish. The 4 hour is bullish. We didn't took out any of these highs, these 4 hour highs or these 4 hour highs. We didn't took out any sell side liquidity in order for us to take a long or to even look for a long. This was on USD GPY. So on the lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, it's right that we did took out the Asian session highs and the London session highs. I still have the vision that price could reverse, potentially reverse to this 4 hour fair value gap, and took out these relative equal lows on the 15 minute. Those relative equal lows, we could potentially go now after break and structure on the 15 minute and invalidating this bullish fair value gap on the 15 minutes. We could potentially go and target out these equal lows, but I'm not taking any trades because now 5 a.m. is on. Today is Friday, so tomorrow market will be closed, so I'm not taking any trades. I'm not really interested in taking any trades. I'm just going to follow my plan. There is no trade, there is no setup, there is no trade. Though there is no fucking reason for me to enter any trades when there is nothing, literally nothing in the market. I can't see nothing. If you see something and you took a trade and you won, glad for you. But for me, I didn't see anything based on my model and based on my strategy. So no trade for me. Like on GJ now, the daily time frame is bullish. All right. Bullish order flow, we're still bullish. On the 4 hour time frame, we are still bullish also. We had these 4 hour highs. They has this 1 hour order block or the 15 minute order block. I'm not sure. We didn't took out any sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. We just kept going up. On the hourly time frame, we did took out the Asian session highs, the London session highs, but we didn't make a sweep. We didn't make a sweep off of them, but we are still not making anything in the market. Literally, like price is only going up, and that's it. Price did not do anything. There's literally no updates since the video before this one. I was a little bit waiting for price to invalidate the lower time frame order flow, the bullish order flow on the lower time frame to then potentially hit down and take out the Asian session lows, but then that did not happen and there was no trade to be catch today. This was actually a trade recap, a market recap. I'm very sorry. Market recap, we didn't catch any trades, but that's the right thing to do, because whenever there is nothing in the market and there is nothing to look for in the market, why would you anticipate in something that is not there in the first place? And you wonder why you're still losing trades and losing your money and not being profitable. Bro, if you can't sit down, look for the charts, look for your prioritize, look for what you want to see in the market and anticipate based on that. And if there's nothing happening that you want to see, there's nothing to be taken. Why would you force a trade that is not there in the first place? This is the mistake that almost 90% of traders fail to. Why would you anticipate in something that is not there in the first place? Like, maybe some traders now will take shorts based on nothing. They see this sweep, and then this 15 minute actually went down, and the 1 minute actually did break below this one. But the actual model, the actual strategy, like the moving from time frame to time frame to allocate the whole trade and to merge it all together to create a solid strategy, that's it what all matters, bro. You need to figure out a edge where it all like figure it by itself, like all a comprehensive series of price action and movement. Like you need to create or to see something that is built on, that is based on real shit or real data. Like why would you fucking, you got the point, bro. Why would you anticipate in something that is not there? Okay, your strategy said the 15, you need to see a 15-minute break of structure or a 15-minute invalidation of this gap. You see the 15-minute goes down, and then you immediately fucking scale down to the 1 minute time frame and anticipate in this fucking short. Why would you think that is going to happen, bro? You're literally a dumbass. I only have one single thing or one single solution for you for this. If you're still doing this shit, you need to start backtesting, bro. Backtesting is the only solution for you, and journaling also. You need to backtest and journal your trades every single day. Every single day. Fucking after you complete the week, there, okay, today is Friday. Do you think I'm going to fucking sleep and go back on Monday to trade? Bro, that is not how it works, bro. That is not how it works. I'm going to journal even when I don't take a trade. I literally journal like I do the market recaps and the trade recaps. I also do that in my journal. And by the way, I journal my trades in Notion, and I have created a Notion template for you, for beginners who don't know how to use the Notion template or anything. I just created a Notion template for you to journal your trades. It is so easy, it's so applicable. It has everything that you need in your trading journal in your trading journey to journal like a pro. It's just simple steps. You have your trade log, every single thing, and then after applying all of those information, you go on and you set your screenshots, the mistakes that you did, the lesson that you learned, and what did you do to anticipate in this trade, what was your thought process and everything. And this template can calculate automatically your profit and your loss and every single thing of that. It also have a to-do list to do every single day if you traded or not, or a progress bar, every single thing, a calendar, a gallery for you to see your trades and every single thing. If you want to get access to this trading journal, is very cheap compared to its value. It is now it is in the link in the bio. If you want to have a let's say 20% off, you just I will put a little box to apply a code coupon. So if you want to get access to this trading journal with 20% off, it is already cheap. It's around $6. And if you want to have access to 20% off, you can type 20% off in that box. I'm going to update now this website so you can get updated to that. So without that further ado, no trade today taken, and probably I'm going to close up the charts. I'm going to journal my day, and in the afternoon or in the night I'm going to backtest the whole week. Tomorrow we have a crypto video. We have a lot of sauce coming into tomorrow, and on Sunday we have, as always, the motivational video. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up that like button, and don't forget always subscribing to reach 170 subscribers by the end of the month. So without further ado, goodbye.